Have you ever wondered what it takes to become a millionaire? What separates the wealthy from the rest? Let's delve into the concept of the millionaire mindset. It's more than just a bank balance, it's a way of thinking, a lifestyle, a unique perspective. Take for instance Elon Musk, a visionary who dares to envision a future that many can't even fathom. Or Warren Buffett, a man known for his disciplined investment strategy and unwavering patience. These successful millionaires share a common thread, a mindset that's wired differently. A millionaire mindset is about having an unshakable belief in your capabilities. It's about discipline, the kind that keeps you focused on your goals when distractions are aplenty. And let's not forget resilience. It's about standing up one more time than you've been knocked down. The journey to becoming a millionaire is not for the faint-hearted. It's for those who dare to dream, those who take calculated risks, those who never give up. The millionaire mindset is all about thinking big, taking risks, and never giving up. Did you know that one of the secrets of millionaires is their understanding of money? Yes, financial literacy is key. It's that secret sauce that equips them with the ability to navigate the financial world with confidence and finesse. And it's not just us saying this. Take it from the likes of Robert Kiyosaki and Dave Ramsey, successful millionaires who credit their financial knowledge as a pivotal factor in their success. Financial literacy isn't merely about counting coins and bills. It's about understanding the bigger picture, the power of investing, the intricacies of taxes, and the strategic leverage of debt. It's about knowing when to save, when to spend, and when to invest. It's about making your money work for you, not the other way around. You see, financial literacy is not just about making money, it's about keeping it, growing it, and using it to create your dream life. It's about building a financial fortress that not only shields you from life's unpredictability, but also propels you towards your life's biggest goals. Ever heard the saying, your net worth is your network? Well, millionaires know this to be true. They understand the art of networking like few others. Power players like Grant Cardone and Mark Cuban didn't just materialize their wealth out of thin air. They built relationships, sought out mentors, and created strategic alliances. Imagine networking as weaving a web. Each thread, each connection, strengthens the whole structure, providing a safety net of resources and opportunities. Networking isn't a mere numbers game. It's the quality of your connections that truly counts. Millionaires cultivate relationships, not just contacts. Seeking out mentors is another crucial aspect. Learning from someone who has tread the path you aspire to follow can accelerate your journey. And let's not forget about strategic alliances. These are partnerships where both parties benefit, fostering a spirit of mutual growth. Networking is not just about taking, it's about giving. It's about creating win-win scenarios. Did you know that most millionaires are voracious readers? They understand the power of continuous learning. Yes, the secret to their success stretches beyond the realms of natural talent or luck. It's about nurturing an insatiable curiosity, an unwavering commitment to self-improvement. Take Bill Gates for instance. He's known to devour up to 50 books a year, and Oprah Winfrey? She's a big believer in the transformative power of books. They both understand that every page turned, every seminar attended, every new skill learned, inches them closer to their goals. But it's not just about the acquisition of knowledge. It's about understanding, about perspective. It's about seeing the world through a different lens, about making connections others fail to see. It's about the wisdom that comes from a lifetime of learning. So remember, the road to success is paved with books, curiosity, and an unending desire to learn. Continuous learning is not just about acquiring knowledge, it's about acquiring wisdom. Did you know that many millionaires are also philanthropists? They understand the secret of giving back. This secret isn't confined to just writing checks to charities, it's also about using their influence, resources, and time to make a difference. Take for instance Richard Branson, a billionaire who believes in using business as a force for good, or consider Warren Buffett, who pledged to give away 99% of his wealth to philanthropic causes during his lifetime. These millionaires realize that their success isn't just about accumulating wealth, but also about using that wealth to positively impact the world. They understand that giving back is a way to create a legacy that outlasts them. They invest in education, healthcare, and various causes that can transform communities and ultimately, the world. They know that their true wealth isn't just measured in dollars, but in the difference they can make. Giving back is not just about charity, it's about creating a legacy. And that, my friends, is the true secret of millionaires.